Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add marketplace apps in your Confluence. So guys, for this guys, it is very easy. First of all, you refresh your page once. When you are on the home page, so guys, here you see there is the option of app. So when you click on the option of apps, so here you see the option of explore. Now you simply go and explore your app. Now here it shows explore app for Confluence. Here you see like draw.io, Glyphy diagram, aura content, table filter, and if you want to search some specify applications, so you simply go here. So like I want to download the markdown, okay, and so I am simply search the markdown micro, okay. In this, some are free, some are paid, and if you find that which one of the application is good, so guys you also focus on the its ratings and downloads. The application which have more downloads and more star rating, so it is good, fast and secure. So you simply go here. So I think it is paid, so but it give you some trial version, so you use it as a trial, so try it free. So it start loading in my site, and it asks for me to select the site and review the installation. So this is my site where I want to install, and this is my marketplace. Then click the option of review, and it is a free trial, so start the free trial. Okay, now guys, here you see estimated after 30 days free trial. If you proceed, so after 30 days my this extension is my expired. Now what you do, when you install your application, how you access this application? Now you simply go, so wait for to complete installation. After that, you simply go to your page where you create your project. Okay, so go for the recent. This is my draft page. It takes too much long time, but here I'm show you how you can get. Simply go here, untitled, and simply start working. And first of all, if you want to access some external apps, so first you use slash, okay, type slash, then you type the option, type the name of your application, markdown. Okay, so currently it is installing. After the installation, it shows here. Okay, if it is not shows here, so you go for more, and here you can search. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.